Okay, before you publish your video, you want to copy the stuff they want you to put in there and put it in your description. So you go to this influencer site and you get on this page where down the bottom it says this benefit campaign me. You hit me and then you're going to hit completed. There you go. And whichever one of these campaigns that you're reviewed or parts of it, it doesn't even matter. You can paste any old thing in there. I use this for stuff I didn't get on their influencer program too. Just my regular stuff I bought. I just paste this stuff in and I get credit for it. So then you hit this one of these and hit this arrow and see this comes up here. It shows all the stuff you got and then it's got a link code. You've got to copy this code. Be sure you hit for YouTube right there. Then hit these little squares down in the little right-hand corner, and you've copied it. So then you go paste that into your description on your video, and then you publish it. Then after it's published, you copy the link to the video, and then you go up here to, you don't even have to do that. Share link, code, here. This link, earn balance. You go copy your, after it's published, you copy your link, and then you just go in here, add link, stick it right in there, and whatever it is, like here, I don't even know what that is, but they're going to get it anyway, and then you just hit submit. Come on. Oh, that was an Instagram thing. There it is. See, that was a goofy link. So you will put a real link in, and then you just, that's it. And get a couple days, I guess. It depends on what they're doing. So that's what I've got.